Welsh Rarebit has to be one of the first dishes that I fell in love with. It was grade 4, we'd moved to England, and we found this little nook of a restaurant around the corner from our apartment. And it served the oddest sounding thing, at least for a child of that age, a thing called a Welsh Rarebit. And I don't know how I came to actually try it, because I don't remember being that adventurous as a child when it came to eating. But anyway, tried it and the rest is history. Absolutely fell in love with it. I was reading a recent food and wine magazine and came across a recipe for this real classic. And I thought, you know what? It's time to give it a go. Try to recreate that Welsh Rarebit that I first fell in love with so many years ago in England. So here you go. This is my take on a Welsh Rarebit. I hope you enjoy it. No doubt that there are some die-hard Welsh Rarebit fans out there just going, "Ah! What do you mean you put garlic and shallots into a Welsh Rarebit?" I know it's not your traditional recipe, but as I said, this is my version. And I think if you are already complicating a cheese on toast dish, why not take the opportunity to add in a few more tasty ingredients? So that's the rationale for the shallot and the garlic. Of course, the dry mustard, the ale, the cheddar, the Worcestershire sauce. Those are true staples of a Welsh Rarebit. They add an incredible amount of flavor, and they really are what make this recipe unique. I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed eating it. Give it a try. It is a delicious lunch. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting more recipes every Wednesday. We got a new video recipe coming out. Would love to hear from you. Want to know what you want to see from here in France. Thanks so much.